Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 350W. This is Victoria's equipment from New York. And this is the initial checkout of this telephone. And this unit is in very good condition for its age. It's been in Victoria's family for a long time. And we're going to be doing a conversion on this unit. We need to install a circuit that I designed here at the shop so that you can walk up to this unit and crank the magneto and ring the original bells, but not backfeed any voltage into the telephone line, and yet when you get a call, the original bells will ring. We also want to install a modular port so that Victoria can simply bring in any length, any color line cord she chooses and plug right into the modular port. Makes for a simple, easy plug-and-play connection. We also want to install an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop. And so we'll be installing that in the unit. Now we're going to check the receiver. We may be able to use the original receiver, which is a metal diaphragm type receiver capsule, or we may upgrade that. We also want to troubleshoot the cord that goes from the telephone to the receiver capsule, that cloth cord. We want to make sure that that's good, so we'll troubleshoot that. We also want to wire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. We're going to be going through the magneto. We're also going to go through the hook switch. We want to go through the solenoids. We need to troubleshoot them. We're also going to adjust the bells, and so we want to go through everything on the telephone. We're going to take some still pictures of this unit. Now Victoria has the spit cup for the transmitter, so she has that, and she'll be reinstalling that when she gets this telephone back. We have a lot of work that we need to do. We're going to start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric 350W. We'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair and conversion of this really cool Western Electric 350W. And we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And we're going to go ahead and place the pickup on the inside of the telephone and pick up our signal from that area. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and I can press that button and give dial tone or take it away at any time. Now, it is an open amplifier, so it's prone to any type of static or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any kind of a hum or a feedback or noise, that will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. And since we have an amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop, that amplification along with the amplifier that we use to pick up the receive audio, we may get a feedback because the electronic amplified transmitters are very sensitive and they have a high quality of transmit power, so you will not have to get right up on the spit cup to talk on the telephone. You should be able to stand back away from the telephone. It's almost like a speakerphone, so you will have a high level of transmit power. We also were able to utilize the original receiver capsule. We also troubleshooted our cloth cord, and so we were able to use the original cloth cord and receiver capsule. Now, we went through the bells. They were adjusted. The solenoids were gone through and adjusted. We also went through the magneto and rewired this unit the way we wanted it wired to work the way we want it to work. We also installed a modular port for your line cord. So a line cord, any color, any length, can be brought in and plugged right into the modular line port. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. And we're going to do a still picture of that. We also installed a circuit that we design and build here at the shop that allows you to walk up to this unit, crank the magneto, ring the original bells, but not backfeed any voltage into the telephone line, and yet when you get a call that comes in, your original bells will ring. So what we want to do is take a short break. We're going to go ahead and install our pickup, our amplifier, and then we'll come right back. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and start our final checkout. We want to go ahead and use the crank and ring the original bells. We're also going to use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. We'll go ahead and start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to go ahead and use a tone dialer to dial our time and temp number, so we'll go ahead and start that.
Good evening. Today is Monday, September 26th. The time is 6:40. Current temperature 70 degrees. Clearing skies today, a high in the low 70s. Clear and cooler tonight, lows in the low to mid 50s. Sunny on Tuesday, high 75.
We can go ahead and hang our unit up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 350W wooden wall crank telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Victoria and she can enjoy this telephone. Now, we mentioned earlier, this telephone has been in her family for a long time, and it's going to be really cool to be able to use this unit like they did. I'm sure this telephone is going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.